My idea of criticism is critical appreciation in the sense of evaluation. The major purpose of the seminar is the seminar means to look first at the state of global criticism today. Global criticism today means certainly 21st century is too young and too nervous, I believe, to offer a particular critical dictum. 20th century is the backdrop. Today includes 20th century. The most eventful century in the known recorded history of mankind. We are told once that when Ulysses was published, James Joyce, several critics said this is the novel to all and all other novels. This is the final novel, final say in the whole process of imaginative fiction. Times have passed. Thousands of very successful novels have been written even after that.
The first session, titled Literary Criticism Today, A Global Perspective, was chaired by Harish Trivedi, and papers were presented by T. Vijay Kumar, Sachin Katkar and P.P. Ravindram.
The humanities are shrinking, and therefore it is our job, those of us who are gathered here, particularly, to make reading more meaningful.
Criticism is the study, analysis, classification, interpretation, evaluation, and ultimately judgment of works of literature. Traditionally, the function of criticism has been to educate taste, and the literary critic assumed the role of the arbiter and the gatekeeper. Criticism is premised on the assumption that what constitutes literature and what is considered valuable are self-evident and settled issues.
If global capital can be borderless, why cannot other things be borderless as well, including the study of literature, including the study of comparative literature? But there is one vital difference in the debate. There should be comparative Indian literature. We should ask for more funding for it. We should ask for more facilities for it. We should all support it. And we should put the English language to go to work in the interests, in the service of this new comparative Indian literature.
The second session was about the state of literature in Indian languages and was chaired by Sitanshu Yashachandra, with papers being presented by C.N. Ramachandran, Vasanti and C. Mrinalini.
Basic dichotomy about what is literature. Now in Sanskrit or Indian tradition, we call it Vangmaya. And these movements of language, we have a dynamic inquiry into these movements of language, from Vakrokti to Sahajokti. Earlier it was said Vakrokti Kavya Jivitam, and Jagannath, as late as 17th century, he said no, Sahajokti also could be.
Since there are scores of critics in Kannada today, I cannot consider even major critics in the short paper. What I plan to do is to identify certain broad themes and concerns that are seriously being discussed today in Kannada. The first issue or the concern, that is neo-colonialism and anxiety over loss of native traditions. Most of the Kannada critics today are concerned with what they perceive as westernization of our society and a blind contempt for the Indian past.
The last program of the day was a unique event in the history of the Academy. For the first time, fellows of the Academy